a mood to be in the city. They were in the outside. They are traveling. And that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died. And also more than 150 people died and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people, because of Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul, saying that
Why not Assam?
any cooperation. They say
Why not Northeastern?
Madam, I have come all the way to speak something.
indeed, my lord. But the only thing is that, my lord, if it's off the record, we need to.
Madam Mamta, let me
Yes.
let me clarify 2-3 things to you.
Lordship,
May I explain you, sir?
give me time till tomorrow day after, Lords, then I can get back.
May I explain you, sir?
Because in my view,
Because I belongs to that state. I am a
Can
as,
there be any doubt, Madam Mamta?
no, sir. No, sir. I am very grateful, sir, because
If at all,
because of your
this is
kind
well- if it's
kindness, my humble regards to my Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Bagchi and Mr. Panchali also, Panchali ji also. Thank you very much. And my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I'm not fighting for my party.
Madam Mamta, sorry for interruption.
local, they pretty well know all
Respected
these
Chief Justice,
differences.
sir,
Not that
I am
something imposed.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You will be surprised to know the, sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No,
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she change her title? Why she is using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
it can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are,
Now,
that's
sir,
why we
only just want to say. Number 2, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. Their number also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to be, they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name.
we put
No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they violated and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number 2, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, on with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years? only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died, and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died, and also more than 150 people died, and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people,
Millets, it is there.
because of Bengal is
Everything is
targeted, sir.
fine.
Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state
Moral
government,
sufficiency, Lord.
we cried foul, saying that.
Why not
not
Assam?
any cooperation. They say.
Why not
it's
Northeastern?
fine.
Madam has come all day, we will grant them 1 day time, tomorrow or
Sir,
day after.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There so many people are alive, and now they are being declared by that their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the
And-
directions in the website, Millets,
Don't
so
think
far
that
as the so-called
election-
micro observer.
Micro observer is a final authority. Election commission,
Not
WhatsApp commission.
it's completely away
WhatsApp
from-
commission is saying
Have a look
it
at
is
what
only the micro
Right.
observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Think, Millets, they could
These-
substantiate on record. except-
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lords,
They are-
given us,
Millard, in one of
This time we'll have to give to
Yes,
them
yes.
to seek their response.
Sir, matter is not correct, sir.
survey copy, Millets.
what fair enough.
It আমাকে
What I'm
বলতে দাও।
highlighting is
There
just
is no
two things so
problem
that your
of
lordship
time.
sees them.
Let me say this, no, there's no problem of time, my
The
lord.
fir- the first
Have
point-
some buffers if there is
আরে ভাই, এটা
more than 1 crore already heard. And if somebody is not heard, your lordships are there and
We
our
will grant it.
power is
We
there.
have
to
been extending
expand it
time.
by a-
We have been extending time. We have
Millets,
been-
my lords have
I have-
passed a slew of directions.
Yes, sir.
My lordship,
Every
my
aspect
lordship
is
with my humble regards. May I tell you, sir,
Whatever they have
whatever
pointed out.
my
and
opponent lawyers raised,
said that.
sir, that is not correct.
Madam
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamta, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is one of the best counsel, senior counsel you have chosen.
Yes,
Let him.
with his
let assistance
permission.
On your behalf.
With his permission, sir, only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly
some
give
states,
them-
sir.
give us the-
We have suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
Alright,
We are
are you-
cooperating to them
Are you
all.
prepared- are you
Micro-
prepared To provide class 2 group.
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they ask,
Alright.
we have given. But they are telling
All right, all right. please
what
go
I
on.
don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, we are granting them 2 days time to have instructions based upon all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give us the list of the group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that,
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICT
There is an atmosphere of hostility, election commission says.
And it contains all our communications
Yes,
to the
but with
government,
Written
trying for help.
issued contemporaneous.
issue notice.
Lords,
Just
just,
a-
I have
just a
one apprehension, that's all I have. I don't want Mr. Dwivedi coming on Monday and saying, now we have finished 1.2 crore hearings as a figment of his.
It's all right.
Numbers.
We are entitled
Yes,
to our
it's not
defense.
hearing, that's what you're saying.
That's an ongoing exercise that will continue.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, whatever they have only first phase 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number 2, the second phase, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
It's not the forum, my lord.
Yes,
Let's-
for to bulldoze the West Bengal people. Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted. And there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the role observers.
My lords, they
Because
could as well see your lordship's
because-
directions on the last occasions.
So give us the list of the officers whom you can spare.
Yes.
Whom you can spare.
Yes.
Probably, once the officers are made available,
Yes.
then micro observer will not be
May
required.
not be necessary,
My
absolutely.
lord,
Yes,
will
yes.
Yes,
You
absolutely.
can do it.
whatever the
And on
role they
Monday
are
itself,
playing.
we are taking up the matter on Monday. Meanwhile, they will also get instructions and you also give us that list.
Very well.
Mr. Diwan, please ask your junior to give
Yes.
complete set of paper book.
Of course.
In both
Yes.
matters, we'll.
Both matters. And in Mr. Gopal's matter, he is a
Yes.
very learned in.
Sir, with my humble regards, I convey my great regards
National fame.
and I will just
Thank
tell
you, Justice Park.
save democracy.
One minute, madam.
Joy
Save
was
democracy.
from-